This is part 1 of creating an orthographic drawing. In this video, we will define and explain orthographic drawing. First, let's make a definition. An orthographic drawing is a two-dimensional representation of a 3D shape. Often, there are multiple views. Next, let's look at how an orthographic drawing is made. A common way of making the 2D views is by placing a 3D object inside a glass box, and then looking at that object from all 6 sides. With the technology we have today, we can do one step better. Here I have a digital model of a 3D shape, a set of stairs. And I can orbit this and look at it from all sides. Now if I were to look at this just from the front, where you can't see the sides, you're only looking at the front, this becomes a two-dimensional view of a 3D object, where I can see the outline and any details only located on the front face of the object. Next, we can look at the side. So let's look at the right side, where you can only see the right side and no other aspects of the object. You see the profile and only the details on the right side. We can rotate it around and look at the back, but let's look at the top. So the top of this object, you're only looking at the top. You're looking at the outline and all the details that you can see from the top of the object. In orthographic drawing, often the most common views will be the front, the right side, and the top. However, if your object has a lot of detail and requires more views, then often there will be more views. This is the end of part 1, creating an orthographic drawing.